Want to make your YouTube Shorts go viral? Learn how to harness the power of InVideo's easy-to-use creation tools. Today, we're diving into the seamless process of crafting engaging YouTube Shorts with InVideo, and you'll find it surprisingly straightforward. Begin by navigating to InVideo and clicking Create New from the available options. Select Blank Canvas and then choose the vertical 916 aspect ratio, which is absolutely vital for YouTube Shorts. For an even quicker start, explore InVideo's extensive library of professionally designed templates specifically curated for YouTube Shorts. You can easily filter them by content category or simply browse for fresh inspiration. Select a template that catches your eye, and it will immediately load into the InVideo editor, ready for your creative touch. Personalize your text elements with ease. Simply double-click any text box to rewrite the content. Keep your messaging concise and impactful. Why remember, Shorts are designed for immediate attention. Now, let's refresh the visuals. Utilize InVideo's vast stock media library to discover compelling video clips or images that perfectly complement your message. Just type in your keywords and drag and drop your selected media onto the timeline. Sound is key. Add a trending track or an upbeat background score from InVideo's music library to instantly elevate your Shorts appeal. Don't forget to adjust the volume to ensure any voiceover is crystal clear. To make your Shorts truly stand out, incorporate dynamic animated elements. InVideo provides a wide assortment of stickers and GIFs. Use them strategically to inject personality and draw attention to crucial information. It's essential to always preview your short in the vertical 916 format. This guarantees it looks its absolute best on mobile devices, where the majority of Shorts are consumed. Ensure all important visual elements are comfortably within the frame. Once you're completely satisfied with your creation, click the Export button, choose your preferred resolution, and InVideo will efficiently render your video. Finally, upload your exported short to YouTube. Craft a catchy title. Utilize relevant hashtags like #YouTubeShorts and #InVideo, and write a compelling description to maximize your viewership potential. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic and visually appealing YouTube short using InVideo, perfectly poised to captivate your audience and foster channel growth.